Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Zeus's lightning bolt from Thor Love and Thunder. It's going to be a very, very simple step-by-step lesson. Stay to the very end. It's super short, and if you're a beginner, it's even more perfect, okay? Let's get started. First thing I do, I am going to draw in Zeus's hand. So I'm going to start with the hand itself, and that's going to be probably the most, intricate part of the whole thing. So I'm going to draw a curved line here for the end of the thumb. Curve out here for kind of that first bit. He's going to be doing this. He's going to be grabbing. Down over here for the next section of the thumb. Going to pull over here for the inner thumb. Curve down for that next section as well. Curve right here on the side. Okay, I'm going to go right here for the palm, kind of this fleshy portion right here. So I'm going to start kind of in the middle here. Curve. Gonna go right here down the wrist. Cool. Gonna go on this side now, and I'm gonna draw the fingers. I'm gonna draw a curve right here underneath the finger, up, curve, down. Gonna go, see, that's like the finger at the top right here. Curve underneath. Gonna pull up right there, back, down. That's the other finger. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Out over here. It's gonna be another one back there. Don't worry about it. Over here, down here for the edge of this finger. So that's the hand grabbing onto it, and we will draw the rest of the hand, but we have to draw the lightning bolt, So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right here, this area, and I'm gonna pull out, straight, right there. Gonna go right here, see, to thicken this line just a bit. Gonna go right here, right underneath that, and I'm gonna pull a line the other direction. Go over here, line out, like up at an angle, and I'm gonna pull the other direction here. Right on. Gonna go below this, and I'm gonna find that portion from right here. Line over here. Over here in this area, right? That zigzag shape. And I'm gonna connect these two dots over here. I understand it might be difficult. If you need to turn the paper to get a straighter line, please do that. You don't have to, you don't have to do that, but if it helps some people. Go right here, pull out, down, out over here. Okay? Doing all right? Doing all right? Hopefully you're doing all right. By the way, don't forget, I put 3 beginner drawing lessons every single day on this channel, right? No other channel does that I know about. That's a drawing channel, at least. Hit that subscribe right now if you like learning how to draw, things from Marvel, comics, anime, The Simpsons, Godzilla, Sonic. If you like any of that stuff, if you like learning how to draw that stuff, I post 3 lessons on those topics every single day. So absolutely hit that subscribe right now and click that bell notification. That's only if what I do here is worth your time. Please consider subscribing. Gonna go out over here, down over here, and I'm gonna pull it all the way to the end, like so. So now we're gonna draw the rest of the hand. It's gonna be over here, curve, and I'm gonna pull down here. There is an angle on this thing, and you can kind of do that if you'd like. You have to give a thinner line, and this is gonna be hard. This is extra credit, okay? Maybe start over here, pull out there, go over here, pull out there. It's like a thin layer thing going on. Over here, continue. It's got to be thin though. It's this extra. This is extra credit, like I said. You don't have to do this at all, and it has to be a thinner line. And now we're gonna draw the more important part is the glove here. He's got this kind of like gauntlet thing going on. It's really made of cloth though. It's just cloth wrapped around here. So just kind of imagine the, you know, we're gonna do it all the way down. I'm just gonna curve right here, just like these curved lines. Very, very simple. They don't have to be even or anything. It is very, very simple to do that. So absolutely kind of look at that. And that is mostly it. I might draw the rest of the arm here because it's gonna like vignette, right? It's gonna look like he just holds it up. Let me know if you've seen the movie yet, by the way. I'm really curious who's seen it and who hasn't. If you want to add extra detail, you can add some like wrinkles to the hand here, like pulling a line here, just a bit. Here, and every detail you draw has to be thin, I would say, generally, because thinner lines will not grab your attention at like in a bad way. Thinner lines just add to the overall complexity of the drawing, and that's kind of ultimately what you want. Let me know what you want to see. I was going to draw within the next week, I want to draw Gore, the God Butcher, right? And then I want to draw, you know, Thor himself, but maybe Odin, not sure yet. But let me know what you want to see on the channel, okay? That's really, really important. And if you got to this point in the video, absolutely, like, do two things. Number one, say hi to me in the comments, then I'll know exactly who you are. I'll be like, hey, what's up? I know that you got to this point in the video. And then two, hit the like button. That helps me out as far as like what to suggest and what to add more of. So thank you so much. You guys are awesome. What I want you to do is I want you to stay positive, and I want you to believe in yourself because you are amazing, okay? Practice every day and you will improve in art. You are amazing, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you soon, okay, artist? See ya.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.